Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here, looking at the euro dollar on the daily. In fact, we'll just go out to the weekly. I'll show you what I got. So I'm just looking left here on the weekly time frame, and we've got this range. You know, we could pick up this high, coincides with this low. Okay, had a couple of touches back in here. So we've got this resistance level, weekly, monthly, no, wrong one. Level WK. So yeah, we've got this range in between here. Coincides with the daily time frame. You'll see if you look back on the daily, you can see these highs back in here, back further. Okay, so this is a big resistance level, and I'm thinking we might see a bit of a move to the downside. Okay, we've got these candle bodies, just mark them up daily. We'll go down to a 4-hour chart and get a bit closer to this. In fact, what we will do is we'll work our way down the time frames. On the 4H, see, we've got this balance area through here, so this dotted line coincides with, what I might do is just pick up this green body, this green candle body. Alright, and we'll just call it a balance area on the 4H. Alright, so 4H there, marked up, something like that. So, point of interest right here, that would be a target for a counter trend short. So that's what I'm looking at the moment. Now we do have this as well. This green candle here, just picking up the candle left and the low on the right, just pull that through and mark that up as an imbalance price gap. 4H. Market is looking for two things, and I'm always looking at the chart from that perspective. In other words, where is there resting liquidity for one thing, where is the imbalance? So we have liquidity resting all through this range under here. Okay, we've got retail traders in long. All through here is a liquidity pool in the form of stop losses, right? So that's definitely a target for smart money. This price gap here coincides with this. So we've got stop losses resting under. We've got this imbalance. Does the market look to trade back down into, let's just mark this up. Hang on, grab a thing here. Okay, so I'm just going to grab this red candle balance area, pull it through. So does it look to trade down here? Well, we've got this level back here and this one under here as well. Does this look to rebalance? That's the question. And take out sell side liquidity. Guys, if you haven't already, I'll just mention this. Check out the links below. You'll see a link to We Trade Your Forex account. Check that out. Very interesting statistics on that master account. You can connect your account to mine. And the other one is to join our free Telegram channel. Love to see you in there. So yeah, back to the chart. So the kind of thing I'm looking for here, now that this is marked up, in fact, we could shade. No, that's okay. I was going to shade this zone, but we've already got it. Gold, yellow. We can see that clearly. We'll just go down to a 15-minute chart, and I'll show you what I'm looking for. Did a video on gold yesterday and uploaded it in here. It's a similar. If you have a look at that here, it's a similar kind of setup. And what I'm looking for here is a certain price movement, and we're getting it at the moment. Now we're heading into the 1900 my time is the London Open. Right, just about to kick off. So this is trading down at the moment into the London Open. I liked what I'm seeing here, and the kind of thing I'm looking for is this. So we've got this range, this Asian session range as we move into the London Open. What we've got here is a build-up of liquidity above and below. That's what I mentioned in my gold video. We had a really nice trade out of that. We've got liquidity above, we've got liquidity under, right? So we've got this balance area. Okay, so we've got stops above and below on the back of all of this trading back and forth. When I'm looking for a short, I'm not looking to buy at the moment, even though this is bullish. I'm looking for the retrace. Probably look to buy further south, maybe around these levels here. That would be an opportunity, potentially, to go long, but I mean, that's another video. I think what I'm looking for here is this kind of movement. and I drew this in my other video. If I grab this pen, I want to see this travel down in here, and then however it kind of works itself. That's the sort of thing. That's what I'm looking for. This is a pattern that occurs over and over again. So I'm really interested in this. This is smart money enticing short traders in. And if this plays out, what I want to see is, now it's trading up, I want to see it attack buy-side liquidity up in here. So we come up and it attacks liquidity above, and then I want to see the range forming on the lower time frame, and then that will get me interested. If we see it hit resistance up around these highs, maybe, you know, however it trades, once we start to see lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, that will get me involved once this trend starts to form on the lower time frame. So that's the kind of thing I'm looking for. It can either be a shallow move, or it can be a significant move. But we've got to, you know what I mean, like it could travel further up. But the thing that I want to see is if it starts to set up a trend, then I'm interested. Now, if it doesn't, what could happen then is it trades up, you know, and then it just continues on higher highs, higher lows. Then, you know, that's not an opportunity. So guys, that's it. Euro dollar. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.